up, YouTubers? Your lady teenager Umato. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for clicking. If you're new to my channel, hit the button below and subscribe. If you're my fan, of course, you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a sweet comment below, share the video, and don't forget to turn on that notification so you know the next time I'll be popping another video. Guys, today's video actually is a vlog. Oh my goodness, it's like 100 degrees outside, but I'm gonna do this for you because I'm in Grand Prairie, Texas. It's one of the city here in Grand Prairie, and they have this beautiful mall. They call it Grand Prairie Premium Mall. So what they do here, there's a lot of kind of shops and brands of shops that are in here. So we're gonna go in there and explore together so that you're gonna see what they have there and what kind of food they have there. We might even test some food, okay? Without wasting your time, guys, let me put on my shirt so that we can go. I'm sweating like crazy, but I'm ready to do this for you. Come on, let's go to this premium mall and explore what they have. So the moment I'm stepping outside, I am burning. I am burning. So I'm gonna take you to the entrance so you can see how it looks like. Let's go over there. Let me turn my camera so you guys can be able to see. If I do this, you can see the mall is behind me. Let's go there. Come on. So guys, this is the entrance. So we're gonna go this way up so that you can see here. So the cars go here. So that's the mall up there. I hope you guys can see. Let me just walk here quick. This is what they have here. Most of the things they put right here. And I'm gonna go to that entrance right here. You can see the Children Palace is here. Columbus, Skechers, Nike. There's so many brands here. Let's go inside so we can explore. As you can tell, the mall is all the way down there, but we're gonna go this entrance so we can see what's here. There we go. This is the entrance. The good thing that I like about this mall, you just walk outside. It's hot, but you can be able to see lots of brands of stores. Like I can see here on my left side, you can see that's Prairie. So if you're the fan of that, look at that. And you can see there's chocolate right there. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. I see the Children's Palace right there. So this is where you can sit and chill. It's too hot right now, but you can sit down and chill. So I don't know if we're going to the left or to the right. So far, let's go to the left. And then before we go to the left. Okay, this is what they have here. Other brands. Let's go up here. I like this day because there are not so many people here because it's hot. That's why I said let me go vlog, because I know most people are in, they're not here. So you can see the brand over here. Let's just keep walking. Whew. At least I'm in a shade. I see Reeboks over there, those Skechers, Columbia is there, and this is another entrance. If you want to go out, you can go that way, but let's go around this way. So this is Columbia Sportswear Company. You can go, I see the Vans outlet up here actually. Yeah, this is the Nike store. It's right here. I don't own any of the background music. Nike store, Boomer right here. You can buy the showcase. I love it. Oh, I miss Levi up there. Auntie Annie's right there. So let's explore the mall. They even have American Eagle. Now let's go to the right and see. Guys, I'm telling you, it's too hot, but I'm here for you. I just want to show you this Grand Prairie Premier Mall. Very nice mall. You can come here with your family if you're coming from anywhere or outside the country or outside the state. You can actually come here and enjoy the vlog, okay? This is awesome. You see all the brands they have here. I love it. Let me know in the comment section if you see your favorites. Very nice. The good thing about the city of Grand Prairie actually is growing. There's so many buildings coming up, apartments, so many people moving here. So the restrooms, Michael Kohl's right there. So they have even Gap is right up here. So you see every new brand store that you can find in New York, wherever you go, it's right here. This is the city of Grand Prairie. For those ones who don't know, Grand Prairie is in Texas. Actually, we have Tommy right there, Katie Spade, and as you can tell, just come over here and enjoy. So come here with your family, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whoever you want to come with, and enjoy the city of Grand Prairie. They have all kinds of everything, brands, clothes, shoes, restaurants, anything that you may want. Come here. And as you can see, today there's no many people. They have J. Crew right there. What else are you looking for? Guys, come on to Grand Prairie. Everything is here in Grand Prairie. It's a little bit hot, but I'm glad like I can come to the shade. Very soon, we will we'll find a restaurant so that we can eat and enjoy something, a drink of some food. Johnson and Mavi right here. Banana Republic right there. I love it. Starbucks right here. Starbucks lovers like me, where are you? Right there. Lucky Brown Outlet is right there. My goodness, Chico's right here. Everything is here in Grand Prairie. Boom Boom Candy Store. That's my favorite candy store right there. You can see right here. Let's keep walking. Tommy Banana. Guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this. Now actually we're going this way. There's a Books Brothers right there. If you're the book lovers, on another store right here, you can come here and enjoy. So let's make it right. Okay. So let me show you this store, guys. Come on. In here they say everything is $8. Let's go in this store and you see what's in here for $8. Look at that. Ooh, let me take off my shades. I love this kind of pants in this weather because they are so cheap and you can basically find something you're looking for. Let's see if we can get a top for $8. $7 hat. Guys, I am sweating. I feel like I need to buy a hat. I feel like I need one of the hat right here because I'm sweating. What do you think? I like this one. I think I'm gonna get this one. Let me see. Let me see this one. Oh, this one. Let me see. What do you think of this one? It's guys, it's $7.99 and it's too hot and I'm sweating and I need something to wear. But first let's go walk around so you can see how the store looks like. They have these amazing spandex shorts. It's actually the kind like the one I'm wearing right now, but you can tell it's a huge. I don't own any of the background music, so they have beautiful t-shirts in here. You can tell it's a nice store. Ooh, look at that. This is how one of the shop looks like. It's actually a good shop. I don't see anybody here. I wish I had the owner so I can maybe interview someone. Understand what I mean? So I love it. They have even perfumes right here selling. Amazing. If you are the fan of dollars. So I was walking and I saw these food vending vans parked over here, and I wanted to see what they have here. So maybe I can get ice cream or something. This is the back door. So this is how they look like. Actually, they can come here, park, and buy. If you wanna Luna ice cream, is right here. You can sit here and eat. There's another one there. I don't know. This one they sell barbecue, brisket, and nachos. They sell here. So you can come and rent this and then sell here. There's another one. They sell burgers over there. Now, and they're hiring if you want a job. This is amazing right here. So I'm just gonna walk around and show you how actually they look like. This is amazing. There's another one here. I didn't know they have this. This is a food truck. Look at that. They have another one here. My goodness. Oh well, guys, I am so done from the mall. It is too hot. I need to go find, I got a drink, but I need to go find food, like real food to eat. Guys, let me know if you liked this vlog. Let me know if you enjoyed Grand Prairie, Texas, our premium mall. Let me know what did you like about. Right now, I'm heading to go find some food from here, Grand Prairie Premium Mall. To you guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.